Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome back to the EVS class. Today, we will take another lesson. That is, we will make a quick recapitulation as we did yesterday. The first lesson of EVS is about myself, and I hope you all have understood about that lesson. So, today, we will begin with the next lesson, that is my body. Okay, so when I ask you about your body, what you will tell, how you recognize your body parts, children? You can see my face on your screen, right? So what are the things you can see here? You can see my face, my eyes, nose, lips, head, hair, ears, and my hands, fingers. Yes or no? So these are the body parts which we can see, and this is called external body parts. Yes or no? So our body has many parts. Each part plays an important role. This is very, very important. Each of our body plays very important role. ऐसे नहीं होता है कि हाँ आँख एक आँख है तो भी चलेगा, दांत नहीं है तो भी चलेगा, ऐसे होता है क्या बच्चे? No. Each part of the body is very, very important and they play very important role. Okay. So I hope you all have got textbook. You can see here page number 5. In page number 5, you can see on my screen, this boy is showing his different body parts. For example, you take this boy and he is showing the body parts, head, and this is neck, shoulder, arms, anklet, wrist, this is ankle, toe, heel, foot, knee, leg, chest, and this is elbow, and this is hand, and this is fingers. Okay, and you can see hair also, right? So these are our external body parts. ये तो सबको पता है, and I hope आपको भी पता होगा because already you have learned this lesson in the month of April, right? So body parts जो भी हमें दिखता है, see this is my hand and this is my fingers, and you can see the elbow, shoulder, face. Yes or no? So these are the external body parts. We do different things with the help of our body. Yes or no? We walk, we jump, and we clap. We do different things. And for example, mouth helps us to eat and teeth helps us to chew. ये जो हमारा मुंह है, mouth है, and it helps us to eat the things, eat the food, and our teeth helps us to chew, right? Hand help us to. What all the things we can do with our hands? Hands help us to write, hands help us to clap, hands help us to paint. Yes or no? And legs help us to walk. We walk with our legs. Skip, skipping up खेलते हो ना, and jump. Our legs help us to jump. Okay, that is to do the activity we need our body parts. And after this, very, very important is our sense organs. So what are those, children? Sense organs means what? Sense organ is nothing but वो ऑर्गन जो सेंस ऑर्गन्स होते हैं उससे हम देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं, खाना खा के उसका टेस्ट हम पता कर सकते हैं और चीज़ों का स्मेल हम ले सकते हैं, और जो चीज़ हम टच करते हैं वो कैसा है, हॉट है या कूल है, वेदर इट इज हॉट और कूल, वेदर इट इज सॉफ्ट और rough, that we can feel, and our sense organ help us to feel the things. Okay, now I will tell you which are our sense organs. Which are those? What is this, children? These are our eyes, and that is one of the main sense organ. Yes, and next is nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay, these are our sense organs. Now I will show you something. What is this, children? Teddy. Okay, how it is when you touch this, how you feel? It is very soft. अभी मैं आपके आंखों को एक पट्टी बांध देती हूँ and I will give this teddy to you. When you touch, you can make out that yes, it is teddy bear and it is very soft. Yes or no? How you understood that it is very soft? How? See, yes or no? It is very soft. How we feel that it is soft? Our skin help us to feel the object. Wow, it is super soft. Yes or no? अगर ये हार्ड होता तो हमें क्या होता? ओ माय गॉड, ये कितना हार्ड है, लग रहा है हमारे हाथों को ये चुभ रहा है, ऐसा लगता है. Yes or no? So आंखें बंद करके भी हम चीजों को टच करके हम फील कर सकते हैं कि ये क्या है और ये कैसा है. Yes or no? So this is an example for that. स्किन को टच करके हम पता करने के लिए ये बहुत important sense organ होता है. Skin is one of the important sense organs and which makes us to feel the things. And next, what is this, children? This is my garden flower. How it is? So how many flowers are there? 1, 2 and 3. आपने कैसे count किया? How did you count? Your eyes helped you to count. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and recognize the color also. This is light yellow and this is red. Yes or no? हम अपने आंखों से ये सारे चीजें हम देख सकते हैं. We can see the things with the help of our eyes. I can smell with the help of my nose. Yes or no? Nicely I can smell. Okay. And next is, I will show you something that you all like to eat. Yes or no? What is this, children? It is jams. I can hear the sound of this jams. See? Yes or no? तो ये पैकेट खाली नहीं है, इसमें जेम्स है. कैसे हमें पता चला? When I shake them, I can hear the sound of germs which is present inside the pocket. Shall I open this? Yes, see, I opened. And now I will show you the colors of gems. See, it is so colorful. Yes or no? कौन से कलर है इसमें? Blue is there, yellow, pink and violet. है ना कलर? तो कैसे हमें कलर आइडेंटिफिकेशन पता चला? हमारे आईज हमें हेल्प किया. चॉकलेटी स्मेल. I can smell with the help of nose. And I heard the sound of gems with the help of my ears. And now what I'm doing, you know? I can taste it. How? Which sense organ helped me to taste this gems? Tell me. How can I taste this? कौन सा organ मुझे help किया taste करने के लिए? Correct. My tongue helped me to taste the flavor of this gems. It is very sweet. आप ज़्यादा chocolate मत खाओ, okay? Only 1 gems in a day you have to eat if you want to eat. So the parts of our body that help us to sense the things around us called our sense organs. Ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin are our sense organs. So tell me, how many sense organs are there, children? There are 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay. Eyes help us to see. As I said, we can see this beautiful world which is around us and this beautiful flowers. Yes or no? See, colorful flower. कैसे पता चला कि ये colorful है? My eyes help me to recognize these colors. Okay. And ear help us to hear the sound. And nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste. As just now I ate 1 gems and it tastes very good. Okay. And skin help us to feel. Wow, it is super soft. Yes or no? See, it helps me to feel whether it is soft or rough. So I used all these things to make you understand more effectively what our sense organs actually, how it help us. Okay. So these are the body parts. Sorry, this is the lesson, our body, that the quick recapitulation we have done today. The first is our external body parts. For year age or for year class, for first standard, only you learn the external body part. That is enough. Okay, internal body parts you will learn in second standard. So now in the question comes to body parts, only you have to name the body parts which is visible, जो आपको दिखता है. So which are those? Neck, head, hand, fingers, arm, elbow, shoulder, leg, heel, ankle, then toe, foot, chest, stomach, wrist, and yeah, knee. Okay, you only name these body parts. And when it comes to sense organs, there are 5 sense organs, children: ear, eye, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, and now I hope that you all have understood about our body parts and also about the sense organs which help us to see the whole thing around us. Okay. So here we have done the recapitulation of the second lesson. Also in next class, we will learn a new lesson, good habits. Okay, children. So I hope you all have understood this lesson very well. If not, please watch this video again and again, and definitely you will understand. Okay, until then, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and keep learning. Okay, children, bye.